Hello everyone and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Today we will be painting this quite simple spring floral landscape, and this painting is actually part of my series that I'm doing on my Patreon where I'm painting spring landscapes. And you know what, if you do want to check it out, I will put the link in the description box. It's now also on sale for just a short while, the entire collection with, I believe it will be around 15 tutorials. So you know, if you would like it, you can check it out. To paint this one, I did use Clairefontaine Fontaine watercolor paper, 100% cotton, 300 GSM or 140 pounds. Also for the watercolors, I used Sennelier in colors primary red, a little bit of the sap green, forest green, green yellow, dyek brown, and burnt umber. And that's all the colors I used for this painting. For the brushes today, I used this Raphael number 22 flat brush to do the background. Also, I used Raphael number 10 round brush and these two detail brushes to paint in smaller details. So I did use Panart number 2 round detail brush and Raphael number 2 round detail brush. But you can do that with one brush. I just didn't want it to go back and forward, picking up the paint, rinsing my brush, so I did use two brushes. And that's actually all the supplies I did use today. So without further ado, let's get to our painting. First, I will be starting with wetting the entire paper. I will just add a generous amount of the water. This is a cotton watercolor paper, so you can take it. Now picking up a little bit of the sap green and a little bit of the yellow green to paint in the background. So at the bottom, I do want to make it look like there are some grasses there. And also I'm just doing lines into the upper part of my painting. With that, also green, some splatters with green and some splatters with primary red. And then some splatters with just a clean water, to give it a little bit more of the texture. And at the end, I did finish this first layer with some grasses, mix of green and a little bit of the burnt umber. And then I did dry it just slightly, and then on top added clean water splatters to make it even more textured, and then dried it fully. And now that it's dry, I'm gonna paint in my flowers. So I will start with those two smaller brushes, adding a flower. Then with the second brush, I'm gonna feather out the top, and then at the bottom add in a little bit of the mixture of primary red and dyek brown, just to make that part a little bit more darker. And that's how I'm gonna paint all of these florals. So with burnt umber, I will be painting those little stamens and the main stem. Then with the sap green, I'm gonna paint in a couple of leaves. Just using the tip of my brush, then press it a little bit harder to use the belly of my brush, and then again lift up the brush to paint a thinner line. Add in some stems again for those leaves. And with a little bit of the forest green and sap green mixture, I'm gonna add a bit more details to the leaves. And I'm done with the first flower. So moving on to the second one. Again, those little florals I'm gonna do just the same way, painting in with primary red, then softening the top with the different brush, just a clean water in it, and at the bottom adding a little bit of the dyek brown and primary red mixture. I'm gonna paint in the stem and the leaves. Again, same way. Softening the bottom part with just a clean water and adding some grasses at the bottom, some splatters with red, And with that, I will be finishing off. So just as simple as that. As I said, you know what, I do encourage you to give it a try. It's super fun. If you wanted to in-depth, real-time, step-by-step tutorial, as I mentioned, check out my Patreon. I will link it in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, subscribe to my channel. I have many tutorials here, and I'm sure you will find something for yourself. Again, thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye!